how to get bank statement in CommBank app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to get bank statement in CommBank app. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CommBank mobile application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, choose an account and then tap on the Manage option and further tap on the View Statement option you see there. Now, go ahead and choose the statement date and then tap on the Share button, and with this you will get the option to either email or to print your statement. Select your preferred option and finally log off when finished. So, this is how you can get bank statement in CommBank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.